Hey guys, Alder from Solar Warehouse. I'm here with Ross from Aiko. Ross, mate.
Nice to see you, Alder.
Yeah. It's been a really busy time. What are some problems that installers are facing at the moment?
I think probably the biggest challenge from installers at the moment, Alder, is they've had this huge growth. The industry's just grown exponentially over the last 6-7 months. It's the time to do all the installs. They're making heaps of sales.
Yeah.
There's just not enough installers out there,
Yes.
or enough support for them to go out and complete all these installs in time. I think something we're seeing is a huge uptake in battery storage.
Yes.
And to go with that is larger solar arrays to charge those batteries. So that's definitely something we're seeing out there in the market.
For sure. And obviously, you know, we're here with the new Aiko 500 watt Infinite series. How does this fit into, you know, solving some of those issues that installers have?
Well, one thing is saves their time. For the same size system,
Yep.
they can install less panels. Our competitors for the same size panel are 25 watts less, at least, on their modules for the same footprint. Then for the end customer, they can get more power on their roof, so they can make the most of that roof, fit in more wattage, and also means that they can charge their batteries much quicker.